In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 404 not found error in Google Chrome. This is a common issue many of us encounter while browsing the web, and it can be quite frustrating. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to resolve it. First, let's understand what a 404 not found error is. Essentially, it means that your browser was able to communicate with a server, but the server could not find the page you requested. This could happen due to a typo in the URL, the web page being removed, or the server having technical issues. But don't worry, there are a few straightforward methods to try that might help you access the content you're looking for. The first step is to refresh the web page. Simply press the F5 key or click the refresh button, usually located at the top left of your browser next to the address bar. Often, this simple action can resolve the issue as it forces the browser to reattempt the connection to the server. If refreshing the page doesn't work, the next step is to check the URL for any errors. Sometimes, even a small typo can make the web page unreachable. Double-check that you've entered the address correctly. Pay close attention to any forward slashes, periods, or special characters that could have been mistyped. Correcting these minor errors can often solve the issue immediately. Another useful approach is to clear your browser's cache. As you browse, your browser stores data from websites to help pages load faster. However, this cached information can sometimes cause conflicts if the page has been updated or moved. To clear your cache in Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner, go to More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up box, make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, and then click Clear Data. This might take a few moments, but it's a helpful step in ruling out any cached data issues. If you're still encountering the error, try accessing the website from a different device or internet connection. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your device or network. If the page loads successfully elsewhere, it might be an issue with your device or network settings. Lastly, consider contacting the website's support team or checking their social media channels. Sometimes, websites experience server issues or downtime, and reaching out can provide you with extra information or a timeline for when the site will be back up. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most cases of 404 not found errors in Google Chrome. As you've learned, many of these issues can be fixed with simple actions like refreshing the page, checking your URL, clearing your cache, or trying a different connection. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.